Hello, you magical people. Welcome back on Salt and Sugar Saga. Festive season is here. So, what are you guys planning to make? I am making a super healthy and superfood recipe this time with no sugar, very healthy ingredients that includes jaggery as a sweetener and some olive seeds, which is also called as halim or green grass seeds. So, what I have done, I have soaked some olive seeds in water, or it is not a normal tap water. I have used coconut water for that. You can use normal water as well with some nuts, that is some cashews or almonds. I have soaked my olive seeds for around 3 to 4 hours, and now let's prepare. So for the preparation, first we need to grate some coconut. I am using the fresh coconut. You can also use a dry coconut also, or the packet wala coconut which you get in the stores. Now I'm gonna chop the jaggery, because as you can see I have a full block of jaggery. I cannot use that way, so I need to chop them so that I can melt them uniformly. And now it's time to dry roast the nut. I am roasting only almonds to get bit crunch in the laddus, and then I'm gonna chop them finely. Guys, do you know why olive seeds are called superfood? Because they are packed with calcium, nutrients, iron, dietary fiber, various vitamin A, C and E, and they help with hair growth also. And you know what? They can also help you lose weight as they keep you full and control unwanted hunger pangs. So do not waste your time. Make it today. So as you can see, I have chopped all the nuts. So it's time to prepare. So I have taken a teaspoon of ghee. Yes, for the laddus, we are using only a teaspoon of ghee. And now I'm gonna melt the jaggery. Keep the heat medium and keep stirring it because you don't want your jaggery to burn. As you can see, the jaggery is all melted and no lumps are there. It's time to add our olive seeds, soaked olive seeds. And olive seeds, they just absorb the water, so it's like a big lump. So you have to add it just like that. So now I'm gonna keep on stirring it and keep on mixing the olive seeds with the jaggery. These laddus are perfect recipe for your winters because these are very healthy. Just a laddu and a cup of milk and you're sorted with the breakfast. Time to add the grated coconut. Give it a stir, keep mixing it and keep cooking it. We need to cook this mixture of coconut, olive seeds and jaggery for around 2 to 3 minutes until it is well cooperated with each other. Guys, please take a moment and do subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for all the upcoming videos. So once the mixture starts releasing water, we're gonna add other ingredients. Poppy seed, which is also called as khaskhas, and you all well aware with the health benefits of poppy seeds. So we'll combine it really well with the mixture. As you can see, the mixture has started releasing the ghee or the butter, so it's a perfect time to add our crunch. So for the crunch, we are adding our nuts, that is cashews and almonds, and we'll mix it really well with our laddu mixture. So now we need to cook it until it's gonna release all the ghee and the butter. Although we have not added too much of butter or ghee in this, so it won't gonna release and come like halwas, but you can see some of the bubbles of the ghee in the laddu mixture, so that means it's all ready. Now we'll take it out in a plate and let it cool and sit down for around 10 to 15 minutes. This mixture won't be a very hard mixture like other laddu mixture, or won't be very dry mixture. It still have that watery content in itself, and it will be a soft mixture. So once it's cooled down, then we'll start making our laddus. For shaping our laddus, first we need to grease our palm. So I have taken around 2 drops of ghee, and now we'll start shaping them. It's very easy to shape the laddus because they are soft and easy to be molded in any of the shape. See how shiny and beautiful they are looking. Guys, do not forget to try this super duper healthy recipe. Until next time, enjoy your laddus. Keep watching Salt and Sugar Saga. Take care. Bye bye.